I'm Ed, and today we're tackling a super important and often overlooked topic in our watering issues series: how to water during a heat wave or cold snap. Because when Mother Nature turns up the heat or throws on the deep freeze, your succulents need you to make a few smart changes. And no, they can't just grab a popsicle or cozy up in a sweater. So let's talk about how to keep them safe, hydrated, and happy when the temperature goes to extremes. Watering during a heat wave. Let's start with the heat, because nothing freaks out a succulent owner like seeing their plump, healthy plant turn crispy and sunburned in one afternoon. In a heat wave, the key issue is evaporation. The soil dries out fast, like really fast, sometimes in just 1 to 2 days, especially in terracotta pots or outdoor setups. So, what should you do? Tip 1. Water early in the morning. Water before 9 a.m. if you can. That gives the plant time to soak it up before the sun really kicks in. If you water during the hottest part of the day, most of it might evaporate before it even reaches the roots. Tip 2. Check soil more often. You might normally water every 10 days, but during a heat wave, you may need to water every 4 to 5 days or even every 2 to 3, depending on the pot size and sun exposure. The rule stays the same: only water when the soil is dry, but expect it to dry out much faster. Tip 3. Watch for sunburn. Yes, succulents can get sunburned, especially during heat waves. Look for brown or white scorched spots on the leaves turning bleached or faded, a plant that suddenly looks cooked. If this happens, move it to partial shade immediately. And don't panic. The damage won't reverse, but the plant will recover with time and care. I've got a clear roof with UV protection, so even during a heat wave, my succulents and I can just chill. If you live in a frost-prone area, bring your succulents indoors or into a garage during a cold snap. Trust me, waking up to a tray of squishy frozen plants is not a fun morning. Real talk, do succulents like extremes? Nope. They like consistency. Not too hot, not too cold. They're kind of like Goldilocks. So your job isn't just to water them, it's to adjust your watering based on the conditions. In heat, water more often, but watch for sunburn. In cold, water way less, and make sure the soil dries between drinks. This flexibility is what makes a great succulent parent. How pot materials change everything. Here's a sneaky factor a lot of beginners overlook. The type of pot you use matters. Terracotta, breathable, dries out quickly, perfect for summer, but tricky in winter. Plastic or ceramic, holds moisture longer, great in cold, not so good in extreme heat. So in summer, you might want more breathable pots. In winter, be extra careful with water if you're using non-draining or moisture-retentive containers. Always prioritize pots with drainage holes, or you're just asking for trouble. Quick story. One of our subscribers said, "Ed, I watered my cactus during a snowstorm and now it looks like jelly. Lesson learned, water less when it's cold and never during extreme weather events, unless you're 100% sure the soil is dry." Share your experience. Have you ever lost a succulent during a heat wave or cold snap? What did it look like? Were you able to save it? Drop your story in the comments on our latest YouTube video, youtube.com/@succulents for beginners. I read as many as I can and love including your experiences in future episodes. Looking for pots, heat mats, or grow lights to help your plants through the extremes? Check out my hand-picked recommendations at amazon.com/shop/succulents for beginners. And hey, show your succulent love and style with our official merch, succulentsforbeginners.myspreadshop.com. We've got teas, mugs, tote bags, all cactus approved. Coming up next in watering issues: rainwater, tap water, and distilled. What should you use? Not all water is equal. We'll talk about minerals, chemicals, and why some water can actually hurt your succulents more than help. You won't want to miss it. That's all for today, Plant Fam. I'm Ed. Keep those roots dry, leaves plump, and your plant shelf drama-free. Until next time, stay sharp, stay succulent.